Namaste students, my name is JV's Dr. Neeraj Bhulia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So in this lecture, we will discussing about the significance of study of animal behavior. So what is the importance to of study the animal behavior? Why we study the animal behavior? What is benefits? What are the applications of the animal behavior? Study the animal behavior. So in the previous lectures, what we have studied, that is the basics of the animal behavior. Uh, what is the ethology? We have discussed about the types and branches of the animal behavior. Okay, so now we are discussing here the significance or the importance. So before importance, we have to study that what is the aim or what is the objectives of the ethology, why we study the ethology. So that is more or less similar things, the aim and objectives or the significance of the ethology. So first of all, to why we need to understand the animals behavior, why they do so. So to understand the cause of the behavior, why animals showing or behaving a specific type of behavior. So this is the aim of the study of the animal behavior. So this psychological mechanism that generates the action. So what is the psychological mechanism, neurological mechanism behind the action of a specific type of action? So, and to understand how the behavior develops, to analyze the potential of the nervous system, can we change it if we are altering the status of the nervous system using the psychological treatment, using the environmental change, using some drugs? Can we change the behaviors? Aim includes the study of the range of the behavior prevalent in the animal kingdom, starting from innate to the learned behavior, from fighting to cooperating, etc. It is also important for the effective management of the animals in various things, like in the agriculture, like in the game animals. Okay, so how can we control their behaviors that can result in the much better results? So the farmers also must be aware of the habits of the animals to get the maximum benefit. The cattle breeding, poultry, piggery, fishery, sericulture, etc. have been developed, the industries for the benefit of the mankind. And only after understanding the behavior of the respective animals, we can get the benefit from that. The information and the insights insights gathered in animal behavior can be used to understand the human behavior. Okay, if we understand the animal behavior, it can be helpful, can be utilized, can be performed for the human behavior. And the knowledge of the behavior of animals like the rodents, the insects, etc., that can damage our crops and has helped in effective pest control. Men also may want to keep the pets for the recreation. For healthy pet management, it is essential to understand their behavior, and behavioral studies definitely can help in animals conservation by understanding their nesting behavior, by understanding their terrestrial behavior, which we have studied in the previous lectures, to create or preserve the habitats required by them, and they can also help to increase the number of endangered and the threatened animals. So that was the aims of our study, the animal behavior. So the significance is that the um, animal behavior, it is adapted or it is helpful in the human society, because sometimes we listen that some wild animals attack on the animal society, human society. So why the animals attacks on the on the uh, human societies? So that is a specific type of behavior, that's aggressiveness, aggressive behavior. So we can control them if we are aware that that territorial behavior, but that we have occupied their territories, we have reached to their territories, and we have to limit the migration or the disturbance in their territories. So the science that is dealing with the animal behavior and the human societies deals with the socio-ecology. So the behavior of the animals can be utilized in the human behaviors. So some cases are there of the humans that they are very aggressive, and they are resulted in the crimes. So why any person is biased towards the crimes, why any person conducts any crime? So that is again aggressive behavior. And if we aware about the aggressive behavior of animals, it can be linked to the humans. So that is again a helpful thing. And the animal behavior is also have one aspect in the neurobiology. So some neural mechanism is there for happening of any specific type of the animal or human behavior. So the application of the animal behavior is applicable in the neurobiology. Again, the animal behavior and the environment conservation and resource management. So we know that the some animals are there, some fishes and some birds are there, which can sense or which can be utilized as the early warning sign for any natural disaster. So they can sense the environment degradation, they can be utilized as the environmental monitoring. Some insects are there which are can be utilized as the pollution measurement of the pesticide pollution. Some birds are migrating, some fishes are migrating. So the migration behavior is related with their regular migration is there for their reproduction, for the change in the environment. They migrates, but still they are also related, they are also concerned with the changing environment. Changing environment means the pollution or some natural disaster which is going to be happen very soon. So they are the sign of the early warning of the animal of the some natural disasters. Okay. So one application is there in of animal behavior in the animal welfare, because if we are not aware um, about the animal behavior, we do not have the knowledge of the behavior of the animals, we cannot get the maximum benefit from them. So for the improved conditions of the farm animals, if they are suffering from some disease, how they behave, if they are suffering from, they require something, they fooding, they are hungry, they are thirsty. So we have to take care about each and every behavior there. uh, the animal behavior is also applicable in the breeding of the endangered species. So the species that are very critical, they are endangered, they are vulnerable in category. they are they should be treated very specifically, and the proper care of the animals are required. Their strong behavioral database. So we have to know the behavioral data, how the specific type of behavior, when they behave aggressively, when they behave migratory behavior. So these all should be know for their welfare. So the animal behavior is again have an important application in the science education. So science education is what? So it is dealing with the behavioral scientist or behavioral science. So how someone is behaving. It is also applicable for the psychologist. Okay, so psychologists are very much aware about the very very minute changes in the behaviors. So they have the deep knowledge of the behavior, their the why the mood swing is there, why animals or the humans behaving. So some patients which are suffering from the depression, so the human behavioralist, or we can say is the behavioral scientists, recognize them. They can treat the specific type of patients which are dealing with the depression, which are dealing with the mental disorders. They can be treated with, if the behavioral scientist is very much aware about the each and every behavior of the humans. So there are much more applications of the behavioral science. It is very much applicable in the animal farming. It is applicable in the humans also, in the psychological treatments. That was all about the animal behavior applications, or we can say the significance of the study of animal behavior. So you should know the significance. Otherwise, if someone asks that why you are studying this subject, why you are studying the behavioral science, you should know that this is applicable in this field, this is applicable in agriculture, this is applicable in the animal farming, this is applicable in the environment management, this is applicable in the psychology, this is applicable in the behavioral science. So that was all about the significance of the animal behavior. Okay, so hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.